Well, welcome back to the Dynodaze video, another Cosmic Grey EP3, my favourite colour. This one today is had an inlet manifold and throttle body fitted before we started, and now it's time to tune it on a K100, Richard's favourite. So let's get cracking, initial power run, see where we're at, and then start tuning. Here we go.
What is my favourite colour? EP3.
Well, for you, it's grey.
It is a cosmic grey.
Yeah, to be fair, I think grey's probably one of my favourites as well.
Love them.
Yeah, this car came in today, got some lovely mods already on the car. Got a K100 already in this car as well, so this car's already been mapped. We fitted a Skunk2 Ultra Series Manifold.
Beautiful bit of kit.
Beautiful bit of kit.
Available on the website.
It is indeed. So we fitted that. He's got, so he's now got Tegiwa, Skunk2 Ultra Series, Tegiwa Skunk2 Ultra Series? Skunk2 Ultra Series, Tegiwa throttle body, that's what I was thinking.
Yes.
Tegiwa letterbox, airbox.
Leaf eater.
Leaf eater, 4-to-1 Tegiwa manifold with a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust.
So it's a Japspeed 4-to-1, but they're the same.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly the same. And
But a good round of mods, in my opinion.
Yes,
A real
yes,
good round of
yes,
mods. We sort of dined it initially, and it did 237. Did it do? I think it did. So 237, really good for the mods that obviously it's got on it. I said I don't know whether we can improve on that or not, because we don't know obviously what map was on there. But obviously, if it was mapped for a non-manifold, we said we'll obviously do it. Yeah, we made a little bit of power. I'm really happy with that. We sort of stayed the same at the bottom end and made a little bit of power all the way up on the rest of it. Now, obviously, for example, if we'd have ran this car this morning on its stock inlet manifold, I think it would have been around, say, the 230 mark. So we've made around 12 brake horsepower, I believe, from where we started.
I think we're finishing on 243, but we're at 206 at the wheels.
Yeah, 206 at the wheels, some nice wheel horsepower. He wanted flames, which he hadn't already got. He wanted the flames on launch, which he hadn't already got. So he got, obviously he got some bits, some extra pieces with the map as well. But I think he's going to be really happy with that.
Sounds immense.
Yeah.
Yeah, great
Real
car.
good setup. I'm sure he'll be over the moon.
Yeah, you want to look at the graph?
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's look at the graph.
So say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. As Richard explained, it already had some form of map on there on the K100 ECU. So red line was after we'd finished modifying it, plus that K100 ECU map, and then obviously the blue line is as we finish after we've tuned it today. Yeah, really happy with that. 242, 206 at the wheels, performing really, really well. Great car, Cosmic Grey, my favourite. If you've got an EP3 and you're interested in modifying it, give me a shout. I'm Danny, or you can speak to Rich. We've got Facebook, Instagram. You could be old school, pick up the phone, but either way, we're happy to help. So come and find us, and we'll see you all on the next one. Won't we, Rich? We will indeed. Oh, socks.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.